Hey everybody, Chris here. So with Dogecoin's price coming down a little bit and some negative news, what do I look at? I look at this as a buying opportunity. That's right. I think a buying opportunity is coming up for Dogecoin. We're going to talk about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell so you can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. We'll be talking more about this in detail, as well as the overall cryptocurrency market on Friday night on my live stream. So you want to join then, go in the chat, ask questions, and we can talk about Doge, other cryptos, and anything else that's on your mind. So Dogecoin has been settling right around the 12-cent mark, a little bit above, a little bit below. Not quite 13 like we had before, but there was this big rush, a lot of excitement with a lot of volume of trading, which helped propel Dogecoin out of the 6s and into the 12. So doubled in price, that's pretty good. Can it sustain it? Well, there are challenges to that. We certainly have this overall world economy that is recessionary. And with that, there's not a lot of disposable income to be buying cryptocurrencies. However, still little glimmers of hope here and there. And the crypto market seems to be reacting very quickly to different news events that are going on. Kind of reactionary, which isn't the best thing. Cryptocurrency should be more forward-looking and should have more development going on, and buying that is that forward-looking optimistic outlook. However, right now we're just seeing the whole crypto market being weighed down. But every once in a while you see these little spikes for this news reason or that news reason. We have this crypto that spikes or that crypto that spikes. And last week was Doge's turn. But now with a little bit of settlement, we're going to see a dip. Now, have we already seen the dip, or is there going to be a bigger dip? I talked about that on my November price prediction video, and you'll see on my charts as well. I still have the line drawn that I think is my prediction going forward. So we'll be taking a look at that, as well as some news. We'll take a look at that now. So we'll start by looking right here at the Dogecoin chart on the 30-minute, and here we have Dogecoin breaking out of this triangle to the downside, and that's what happened yesterday evening. Dipped below 12 cents, down into the 11s, and I think the low hit here was about 11.55. Came back up over 12 and then back down this morning, but now we're seeing a little bit of a run, and that's based on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is making a run here. So with Bitcoin going up, we see the whole cryptocurrency market in the green, reflected by all of the green you see here and all the cryptos that are on my watch list. Everything in the green. Doge was in the red just a little bit ago, but now has turned green as well. If I zoom out to the 4-hour, we'll take a look at what we saw with the big run of Dogecoin last week from 6 cents up over 12 cents and then up to 15. This blue line here is the 15-cent line. This orange line is 11 cents, and this is what I see as maybe a first support line if there does come to be a big dip. But right now what we're seeing on the 4-hour is a red candle, red candle, and now green candle. So this is rather bullish in terms of its charting. However, this volume here is reducing. With the volume going down, the RSI going down, the price going down, that's the sign that we are in a negative decline, and that could still continue. We'll talk about that in a minute. So the triangles we saw here was the green triangle, which was a pinch point I talked about a few days ago. In Dogecoin, when it broke out to the upside. And then this next triangle here in the light blue, and Dogecoin broke to the downside on that one. So that's just what we see with the trading. And then going forward in my November price prediction, this is what I was looking at, was Doge moving down, which I kind of forecast, because knowing that the volume was not going to be able to be sustained with all the excitement about Elon Musk buying Twitter, that there would be some retracement there and may even go as low as 10 cents is kind of what I'm looking at here. And that is still in play. So if we go to the 1 hour, we'll see that Dogecoin is pretty much trading right along this white line that I drew. And this was like 5 days ago when I did this forecast, and Dogecoin so far is following it. So we'll be watching this going forward, whether that continues to follow that line. So what is going on right now in terms of the news? And this is the Barron's article this morning. Dogecoin is slumping after reports suggest the Twitter crypto dream is on pause. Dogecoin plunging Friday. Well, not plunging. We see that there is a comeback happening right now because the whole overall crypto market is moving up, so Doge moves with it. But as hopes faded that Dogecoin, favored by Elon Musk, could be boosted through the integration of crypto payments on Twitter, plans to build a crypto wallet for Twitter appear to be on pause. And this came from this article on Platformer, where this is a Silicon Valley website, where they're talking about development of Twitter, what the engineers are working on. Vine, they're really pushing Vine and having this video platform be reintegrated, and maybe even within Twitter itself and not as an independent platform. We'll see how that works. And then they're getting rid of some other things that were on Twitter. But one of the things, if I go back down here, is that a recently revealed plan to build a crypto wallet for Twitter appears to be on pause. So with that, that's not getting rid of the crypto integration altogether. It's just they seem to be concentrating on other things first, getting that blue check mark on there for what seems to be a random $8 amount. I've been on Twitter this morning and I've been supporting Dogecoin integration for paywall articles, people who want to post good content and have people pay for that content. That's one of the things that Elon thinks is important with Twitter. And someone responded like, well, why don't you want all the articles for free? Well, if you get everything for free, then maybe the quality suffers a little bit. But if there is some good content that is out there, paying $1 for a good article seems to me like that's not too bad. And also for tipping as well. So good content creation that happens, and you send $1 as a tip, and I think that's fine. And I think that's what would help make Twitter a better platform with better content. And I know there is a lot of people are leaving Twitter because, well, some just don't like Elon Musk, and then some just don't like changes that are going to be happening, and they're going to go somewhere else. Well, I think Elon would kind of be working on making Twitter the best platform, and maybe those people will eventually come back once they see what it actually is and how it works. Right now, it's all looking forward and thinking about how it might be, but we don't know going forward exactly how it's all going to work out. I mean, Elon, he's only owned it still for just a week, so what can you accomplish in a week in such a big industry and platform like Twitter is? So I think he will get there. But right now, we'll see this dip coming because there is kind of this negative news, a little bit about Twitter, a little bit about Elon, and some about Doge and crypto. And I think they're going to be concentrating on other things on Twitter first and eventually be getting back around to crypto, which is what I was showing here, when I was looking at my prediction, is that we would see some sort of downward price action followed by up. And this is the time, again, I don't know when that exactly is going to be and how low that may go. This could have been the low, or there could be another low. We'll see on that. But again, that's buying opportunities, buying more at a lower price to help your profits when Doge eventually does take off again, because we know there's going to be a bull market and Doge could again be a leader pulling cryptocurrencies up. So please don't take any of this as financial advice, because this is just me and what I see going on. in the news and how crypto markets react to the news based on things that have happened in the past, which isn't always a guarantee of how things will be in the future, just my outlook. But so far I've been pretty accurate overall. I just missed the last dip, only went to 5.5 cents when I thought it would dip to 5. So I hope you weren't waiting for that low dip as well, because that was just me and I didn't quite grab that. However, we do have more dips coming in the future. Not quite to that level, I don't think, but we don't know how this whole cryptocurrency market is going to react overall to these recessionary indicators, everything that's going on around the world. But we'll see, and we'll be watching that going forward. So please be sure to be subscribed to my channel and take part in my live streams as well, so we can sort of broaden the discussion into what you guys want to talk about. So be sure to tune in and ask your questions, because we have a lot of dialogue that goes on my live streams. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this buying opportunity coming, or do you think Doge is just going to take off? Go, go, go. We'll see how that works out. Give the video a like. I appreciate your support. We'll see you next time.